Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Well, guess what just happened today? Hubsan just gave us a brand new teaser for their upcoming latest and greatest drone that is supposed to be battling the Mavic 3. In today's video we have all the details that you need to know on what just happened today. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here and you want to keep up to date with any upcoming product, whether it's from DJI, from Autel, or even Hubsan. Guys, you already know it's a place to come for all of that info. And also currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're watching today's video, you're not subscribed yet, well, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, why don't we just go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. Well, I've been telling you guys, and we've been talking a lot about here in the channel about a Mavic 3 killer coming from the guys over at Hubsan, and well, just today they gave us a brand new teaser in their official page in YouTube. So let's go ahead and take a look at what they had. So there we have it, and as you can see, it says Hubsan 3 options, new product preview, and then we can see those dates: November 5th, November 12th, and the 19th of November. Now from what we can see right here, I'm assuming that the product will be presented on November the 19th, although it is not confirmed yet. Let me know what you guys think of this teaser. What do you think Hubsan is trying to tell us here? But what I can tell you right now, that this will be a Mavic 3 killer working. Hubsan is working on a brand new competition for DJI, and this will include a micro four thirds sensor, and this drone will come at a more affordable price tag from the guys over at Hubsan. That is something that I'm quite excited about. This is almost going to be like $1,300 for the base model, as it has been confirmed by them. There we can see it, and I mean, this could be a great alternative for the Mavic 3 if it works flawlessly. Hopefully Hubsan does a good job and they learn from the mistakes that they did with the Sino Mini Pro. I have faith in them, and I know that they can do a great job, and I know that competition is always good because that pushes innovation. So hopefully Hubsan comes out with a great product, and as soon as we have any more new info leaks or anything, you're gonna be having it here first. But stay tuned guys, we should be having a lot more info here in the upcoming days. This is Drone Emotion signing out.